Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add multiple artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Open your artboard and select this artboard tools option. Now click on this page option. You can draw your page. Also you can drag your mouse, you can draw a custom page as you like. Also you can decrease or increase page size. I'll draw file here also. Also I'll add another Windows artboard. Select file option and select new. Type your artboard name and artboard profile as print and select your page size. I'll choose A4 size and page number. I'll choose 2 pages and select OK and see the another tab already open and add 2 pages A4 size and again select file option and new. I'll open 3 pages this time, letter size, okay, and see this 3 pages already open. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.